Hello everyone and welcome to
Gjalt
101. We're on the last days of the year, so this asks for a small summary of what we have accomplished in 2020. This was a special year for all of us, and we did our best to keep on going as we did before and to give you the best and new products. This video series started in July with the introduction of the TMS Support Center. And as you can see, I still had some basic things to learn about this green screen. As for those of you that are wondering, this is my actual setup. For the viewers with a good eye for detail, I have to disappoint you, but I'm out of new shirts, so from now on, the same ones from old videos will return. We've also created some great new products this year. In April, we've launched TMS FNC Maps. This is a cross-framer, cross-platform and cross-service product. And we've also released the highly anticipated TMS Webcore for Visual Studio Code. One of the movies that I've created on how to get started with this is the most viewed video of my series. We've also set up two programs. This is the TMS Webcore Partner Program and the TMS Academic Program. I've made a video on the TMS FNC UI pack, but this has now extended with Webcore, Flexcel, and we previously had the VCL UI pack. But 2020 was also a time of celebration. We've had 25 years of Delphi, and we ourselves in October celebrated the 20th anniversary of TMS software. We did work on all of our products. First of all, to get them to RAD Studio 10.4 Sydney, but almost all of them had one or more major releases with new features. One of those new features is the new component that is used for Edge Chromium integration, the ADV web browser and TTMS FNC web browser. Also welcome to our two new consulting partners, Abatec, this is present in Spain and Colombia, and Thierry Laborde in France. If you still need some presents or you don't know what to read in your time off, Bruno has a great video on our different books for the TMS products. We will keep on going the extra mile for you, our customers, and there are already some other products in the pipeline that will help you the coming years, but those I'll tell you in 2021. Our TMS team wishes you all of the best in this holiday season and in the new year. Thank you for watching. Till next year. Bye.